Part one, choose the core value. Did I really mean it that individually? First you do it individually, okay? And then you do it as a group. So each of you will have your choice as to which of your three, and then you achieve consensus as a group.